What are the best Google Ads tips? Well, this is a very broad question. There are too many, and I can be here all day long, and the tips won't finish. So here are a handful, which I believe are quite important. So the first one is the use of negative keywords. You must use negative keywords with your Google Ads search campaigns. It's going to save you a lot of money, increase your conversion rates, lower your cost per conversion. I always tell everyone, keep it simple. Don't make your campaign structure too complicated. Keep it super simple and organized so that you can see what's happening in which campaign. And what I mean by this is, I'll give you a very good example. So for example, for device targeting, I have one campaign for computers, one for desktop, and another one for tablet. I separate them out. Okay, there's a bit more work to it, but then I can straight away see all the metrics like the CTR, impressions, cost, clicks, cost, conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversion straight away without having to go into each campaign and trying to find out the data. It takes a lot longer, whereas I can see it straight away in my dashboard. And if things are not working on one of these devices, then I can take action to do something about it. Make your landing page relevant to your ad and keyword. So if somebody is searching for red apples, your ad should talk about or advertise red apples. And then when someone clicks on that, they go to that page which is about red apples and not green apples. Because if you do send them to a product category page where you got red, green, golden apples, people get confused. Just send them straight to that page what they are looking for. And this is why we need to make our landing pages super relevant to your ads and keywords. Use of ad extensions will definitely improve your ad rank, which will make your ads bigger, which in turn is going to increase your click-through rate, lower your cost per click, and increase your traffic to your website. And this is one of the Google's best practices, which you should always do, is to set up as many ad extensions as possible. The last one, for this video, is use of phrase and exact match keywords. Try and avoid broad match. Broad match will give you a lot of traffic, but quite often you will find that they are not the best traffic or the most relevant traffic. So if you have got limited budget and you want to use your budget wisely, then I would recommend that you use phrase and exact match keywords.